In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. What makes a person developed one? What makes you develop? What makes you move forward? What makes you to become a better human being? If we put forward this question in front of the people, overwhelming number of the people will say it is the education. Over or they will say it is the money, the resources, or people will say it is the talents, or the people will say it is your contacts, your influence in the society. Some will say it is mere luck. Another some might say something else. As a matter of fact, I am not going to deny the role of these things in our development, in our progress. I am not going to deny the role of it. But none of these is something of very basic importance. The importance of all these things are there. Nobody can deny it. It is so important. But still, it is not the first thing. It is not the primary thing. Because there are people who are not developing, despite the fact that they are talented, despite the fact that they do have money, despite the fact that they do have some good contacts in the society, still they are not developing. And on the other hand, there are people who are not talented, who are not much talented. There are people who are not wealthy. There are people who are not influential. There are people who are not educated. Yet they are developing. Despite the absence of all these, they are developing. They are moving forward. They are making progresses. And people look upon them that they will become quite developed after some of the time or somewhere in their life. So, why is it so? It is so because they do have something which is very basic, which is very primary. That is ambition. What is it? It is ambition. If at all we are ambitious, if at all we are ambitious, we can move forward, we can develop, we can make progress. Ambition, ambition, and ambition. It is our desire, a strong desire which could be called commitment, which could be called commitment. It is the commitment actually which makes you do the hard work. It is the commitment actually which makes you learn the relevant skills. It is the commitment actually which makes you conceive the valuable, precious ideas. And it is actually the ambition. What is it? It is actually the ambition, ambition, and ambition. It is the ambition which makes you forward, which makes you developed. If you are ambitious, if any of your loved one is an ambitious, if any of your acquaintance is ambitious, but they don't have money, but they don't have the talents. Please do not discourage them. Do not discourage them, please. Because as long as they do have ambition, as long as they are committed, let me tell you that they will keep working. They will keep working smart, they will keep working hard, they will keep making every possible struggle. As for the talents are concerned, I think there are other people, there are enough number of people who are talented in the society. Their cooperation on the basis of sharing the fruits of your project, their cooperation, their talents could be used. Make them a partner, share, make a commitment that I shall be sharing you this much, this percentage of the results of the fruits of the project. If at all you don't have money but the money is needed, your ambition will make you conceive ideas. Your ambition will make you work out the details of that particular idea. You might take this idea and its details to a resourceful person, to a rich person, to a person of money. Ask them to invest in your project. Motivate them to invest in your project. Most probably someone, not obviously each one of them, someone will become prepared to invest in your project. So it is the ambition actually which which makes the people developed. Some of the people with the big money are not developing. Another some of the people with very good talents are not developing. Another some of the people who are quite resourceful, having enough influence in the society, but they are not developing. So the development actually depends upon, you do have to rely on your, neither on your talents. Talents are very good, financial resources are very good, then the influence in the society, the popularity is very good thing, but it is still not the something very basic. And something which is really very basic one is that you do have the ambition. Please do not discourage anyone else who do have the ambition. Please do not discourage anyone else at all, even if they don't have an iota of money, even if they don't have a penny in their pocket, even they are not so talented, even they are not so handsome, even if they are not so well connected. Please do not discourage them. Allow them to keep on your to keep making effort. I mean, rather motivate them to believe in their success. And this belief in the success, coupled with the ambition, I think it will make them develop really. Thank you very much. Jazakallah.